reduce maintenance costs and downtime. Ensure your assets are optimized for effective, environmentally friendly operation by linking them to a cost-efficient, reliable solution that effortlessly provides your systems with the data you need to improve your business processes. Aplicom Silver Cloud provides seamless access to your tracking and telemetry data. The robust T10 telematics unit, cellular connectivity, and a lifetime device management service combine to give you reliable access to the data you need. The dust and waterproof Aplicom T-Series telematics units are proven operators in the most demanding environments. Equipped with a CAN bus, the T10 can easily be interfaced to various systems. The Aplicom Silver Cloud solution is purpose-built to help you efficiently monitor industrial assets and manage operations on a large scale, so you can focus on reducing operational downtime, optimizing costs, and providing better service for your customers.